Each morning I get out my dial, can't barely stand on my feet. Take a look at yourself in the mirror and cry. Lord, what you did to me. I have spent all my years in believing you, but I just can't get no relief. Lord, somebody, ooh, somebody, can anybody find me somebody to love? I work every day of my life. I work till I ache my bones. At the end of the day, I take home my heart with me. Oh, tired out, my knees not straight away till the tears run down from my eyes. Oh, somebody, ooh, somebody, can anybody find me somebody to love? He works every day. I tried, but everybody wants to put me down. They say I'm gone crazy. They say I got a lot of water in my brain. Oh, I got no common sense. I got nobody left to my beat. I'm alright. He's alright. Yeah. I just gotta get out of this prison cell. Someday I'm gonna be free. Find me somebody to love. Find me somebody to love. Find me somebody to love.